I have a P0300, right? Right? And I got 6 cylinders, and I got a spark plug on each cylinder. But I also have an ignition coil on each cylinder. Alright, but we also have exhaust, right, coming out of each cylinder. Boy, work with me now, work with me. Y'all get it, right? That cylinder, that cylinder, that cylinder. This one. They all got exhaust that come out like that, right? So, the misfire could be a spark plug, a coil, exhaust, but you also got the intake too. You know what I'm saying? Putting in all the air. But like, of course, there's a throttle body around here somewhere. Just put like a little throttle body right here with the plate open and closed type joint. You know, am I making sense right now, bro? I'm trying to figure out where the misfire is coming from. And then you got don't forget about the fuel injectors. Let's put the fuel injectors, let's put them right here. Let's just say those are fuel injectors. So it could be the fuel injector, it could be a spark plug, it could be the coil, it could be an exhaust leak, it could be an intake leak. Like, come on. I mean, somebody help me out.